Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a Christmas heart. Okay, I'll be using my crinoline and my two-in-one rose. The size of my crinoline is 2 yards, which is 72 inches. Okay, so just watch how I'm doing this and learn. What I'll do next is to do a running stitch from one end of my crinoline to the other end. If you've been following my videos, you should know how to do this by now. Okay, so but of course I would have to tie the two ends of my crinoline first, which I have done already. So now I'm just doing my running stitch from one end to the other. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So I'll keep stitching this, until it becomes very firm. And then remember, your stitches has to be very neat. They have to be neat as possible, very neat. If you look at my work well, it will look like I didn't even stitch anything because I'm applying lots of wisdom. So make sure you apply some wisdom so you have a neat work at the end of the day and a very firm work.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So the next thing I did was to attach my Alice band, and our beautiful Christmas heart is ready.